Hey, I'm just gonna do a update video on everything. This house working on. Still gotta paint this door. Got new doorknobs for it. Got a nice little piece of furniture here now. Some more paint work to do there. Haven't done anything in this room yet. Pulled an old nasty carpet off these stairs. I'm gonna take this trim off and make a nice wood finish that goes all the way over, covering that crack. Make the kitchen really nice and clean. We'll paint the cabinets next. Everything clean. Even polish the vent for the exhaust fan. All new doorknobs, plugs and switches. New light up there. Wiped all the walls down. Wiped all the walls in here down. And it's been painted, fresh coat of paint. Fresh coat of paint in this room. All new lights and plugs. Fan blade, all the fan cleaned up real good. New LED bulbs in it. Same for this room. All the above. My video's skipping around. I don't know if it's doing that on the recorded part. Sorry about that if it is. I don't know what's up with that. I'm moving too fast for it. Tore down some more of the bathroom. Got the vanity mirror down. Light fixture. Toilets removed. I'm gonna do epoxy paint on the walls. The tile. Bathtub. Still got a lot of cleaning to do. And got this front room is almost finished. I'm leaving the decorating up to my mother. She's great at that. All new doorknobs, lights and plugs in here. Still got some stuff to hang on the walls. Curtains to deal with. Scrubbed all these chairs up today. Nice and new. I had recovered those years ago. So yeah. That's where we're at on this thing. It's only been about 2.5 weeks. We got quite a bit done. And we'll end over here on these cars. I'm about to take a break from some of these for a minute. Let all my customers catch up with me. Anxious to start working on my vehicles. Let's walk over to them. Why not? Shout out to Sprayway if you click on this video. You're getting me motivated to start doing body work and primer in this truck. I stopped on the interior years ago because the windows leak. So I want to pull all the glass out, sand it down, do it upright, get some paint on it. That one needs to come off the frame. Me and my dad built this lean-to, this little carport, whatever you want to call it. A little awning. Still got to put a face on it with a doorway. We got the air compressor and sandblasting booth in there. Got a lot of cleaning to do. I'm getting stuff out of the garage finally. Clean it up. Start working on that 65 Riviera back in there. Still waiting to do a walk around video on it. And do that as soon as we get this cleaned up in here. Speaking Speaking of cleaning, I washed all 3 of these vehicles last week. It's my little family car. It's been down and out. Need a new tail light for it. LEDs made into it, so it wasn't a simple bulb change. A couple $100 on eBay, so that sucks. Don't think we got any further with the Impala here. Got a couple more pieces added since last video. Started to clean up the console. It still needs to be, all the black needs freshen up and painting. Still got those sun visors. Washed the Suburban real good. The thing had mold and funk and blackness all over it. Get it out of here soon. Probably another Impala sitting there. And see, last video I uploaded had the snake on my table. So yeah, he motivated me to clean up in here. Clean the work table off. Set up a new shelf over here. And clean this little area up and rearranged it. So now I can come over here, got another little temporary workstation. Pulling the back seat apart for the Cutlass. And I got some more done on the Cutlass. I'll have to come back and do a video by itself on this thing probably. Let's go on and catch it though. This thing's disgusting. And there's no padding left at all. This old cotton is smushed down to, I don't know, you can feel the bars in it right there. That's maybe ½ inch. So all that needs to be stripped off. New backing put on it. And some new foam. I guess paint the frame black to help preserve it. I don't even want to talk about the mess in that corner. I'm anxious to go through and clean up over there. Set that up different. So I guess I'm working my way around. Yeah. Clean out under the table still. Yep. So let's start setting up this wall a little better. End right here. Got the carpet installed on this. Went ahead and added floor mats. I had put some more lighting in here too. Definitely want to put a light above this spot right there. Do a nice LED this way. I may just hang this one for now. I have it already. Some old school fluorescent bulbs. Alright, there it is. Oh, got the big black shelf out of here. It's in the house where we started. A bunch of fiberglass stuff out where I was working on a few panels. And the only other place I could have shown was in the shed. Still got to run some power to that thing. Run some Romex. There you have it. That's where I'm at. Now, I'll be here if everybody can catch up with me. I'm taking a break from y'all's stuff. I'm even with everybody. Just come holler at me. Come pick up stuff that's finished. Get on the same page with me. I'm anxious to push forward. So I'll go do some other things. Next videos will be some hobby videos, some model cars. I guess I'll show my Transformer collection, what I've got set up so far. Yeah, some of my personal stuff I enjoy. So expect that from me over the next week or two. And then we'll be back to these cars. And hopefully showing that house finished. We're going to do furnish finders on that house. So I'll come stay a little while. It'll be available. Peace. Thanks for watching. God bless you. I know he's blessed me.